Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special, we have a GM certified 2016 GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7103XX. Only 5,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. And this Denali has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of storage space in the rear. Additional power outlet. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, moonroof, gauges, again only 5,000 miles with driver information system, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel. Also has forward collision alert. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Large glove box with all the overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and only 5,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7103XX to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.